What rights do Massachusetts nursing home residents have under M.G.L. 111, Section 70E? Massachusetts nursing home residents have important legal rights that protect their dignity, safety, privacy, and ability to make informed decisions about care. Under M.G.L. circa 111, Section 70E, residents have broad protections that apply in nursing homes and other covered facilities across Massachusetts. The answer is yes. Massachusetts law gives nursing home residents enforceable rights, including the right to written notice of those rights when they are admitted. Facilities must also post those rights in a visible place, which means residents and families should be able to see what protections the law provides. Section 70E is known as Massachusetts Patients' Bill of Rights, and it works alongside federal nursing home rules and state regulations. One major protection is the right to know who is responsible for the resident's care, including the name and specialty of the physician or other person coordinating treatment. Residents also have the right to confidentiality of records and communications to the extent allowed by law. If billing applies, residents may request an itemized bill that shows charges such as laboratory fees, pharmaceutical charges, and third-party credits. The law also protects a resident's ability to choose a facility, physician, or health service in many situations, except in emergencies or where a contract limits that choice. That freedom of choice can matter when a resident wants another doctor, a second opinion, or a different provider who can accommodate them. Another core right is informed consent, which means the facility must explain proposed treatment, risks, and alternatives before moving forward. Residents also have the right to privacy during medical treatment and other care. They may refuse to be examined, observed, or treated by students or other staff for educational purposes without losing access to necessary medical care. They may also refuse to serve as research subjects. In emergencies, the law guarantees prompt life-saving treatment without discrimination based on a person's economic status or payment source. Section 70E also gives residents important protections against improper transfer or discharge from a nursing home. A facility cannot simply move a resident out without following required procedures, and in some cases a resident may request a hearing to challenge the decision. The law requires sufficient preparation and orientation to help make any transfer safe and orderly. Families should also know that residents may have legal options when a facility violates these protections. Section 70E includes an enforcement provision that allows a person whose rights were violated to bring a civil action. That means a nursing home may face legal consequences for denying records, failing to obtain informed consent, or transferring a resident without following the law. In some situations, a violation may also support a claim under the Massachusetts Consumer Protection Act, although more than simple negligence may be required. Common problems that may implicate Section 70E include lack of informed consent, denial of access to medical records, failure to respond to reasonable requests, and improper transfer or discharge. Families who suspect a violation can report concerns to the Massachusetts Department of Public Health, which investigates allegations involving poor care, abuse, neglect, and related issues. Keeping records of dates, times, staff names, and visible conditions can help support both a complaint and a possible claim with a lawyer or attorney. Because timing matters, families should be aware that Massachusetts generally applies a 3-year statute of limitations to personal injury claims, and certain consumer claims may have a 4-year period and additional notice requirements, so speaking with a lawyer or attorney promptly may help protect important rights. For families seeking guidance from a law firm about nursing home rights and potential claims, Colucci and Marcus, P.C. is a law firm located at 424 Adams Street, No. 101, Milton, Massachusetts, 02186, United States, and can be reached at 617-698-6000.